Right guys, in this great video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys some special features that you might not know on PayPal. So log into your PayPal account and come to the menu and come to send and request tab. Click on it, it will load up another tab. Now under the request tab, you see where they say turn on PayPal search. Now click on turn on PayPal search. Here is where you can edit the name that you want people to see once they want to send money to you. Let's say your PayPal email is different and you want your name to be different. So this is more like a username or a nickname that people will see once they want to send money to you. So let me change this to Chido original. So come here, click on Chido. So this is Chido. You can't give space, so I'll make it one word. So this is Chido original. Okay, it's available. As you can see, this good check mark, meaning that this is available. And before you can find other people who agree to show your name and photos to other people, so people will know you. So why you have to do this is for people to know who you are as an individual. So if they want to send money to you, they will see your name and see your photo, so they will now recognize you and know that this is actually the account they're sending the money to. So after that, simply click on next after adding the username or nickname you want people to see. So click on next. As you can see, you are all set. So now once someone wants to send money to me, they will see Chido original. Once I give them my PayPal email, they will see Chido original. Now the next thing I want you to do is to come here on the menu, click on the icon that shows setting. That's the setting icon here and above, and it's loading up guys. Once it loads up, you see where your profile picture is. So this is your profile picture. I can click on update photo rather. Simply come here and choose the photo you want to add. So come here and click on add your photo. I'll come to photo library. So this is the photo I want to use for this, and make sure this photo is lesser than 2 MB, and it's more preferable if it has 300 pixels available. If you're a graphic designer, you understand more, but make sure it's less than 2 MB, that's 2 megabytes. Now this is 136 kilobytes, so this we do. I'll click on choose. So it have updated this photo, so I'll click on use this photo. So once I click on it, it will upload this photo into my account. So it's loading up. So as you can see here, you can see my face, and I can change my name, but I don't want to do that for now. So this is how to change your photo. So this is your photo, and if someone wants to send money to me, so let me come to send and request. If someone wants to send money to me, they will see Chido original, and they also see my face. So that's how to make this work for you in order to change your face and also change your name. So that's how to go about it. Your PayPal account. I guess you guys learned something new today on this video. So this is a hack that you can use to make your customers or clients more familiar with your PayPal account. I hope this tip was helpful for you guys. If it was, give this video a like, and if you have any question, leave it on the comment section below. And like always, my contact will be below in the description box. My WhatsApp, my phone number, my email, my Instagram, whichever means you want to contact me. I can help you to withdraw your funds from PayPal.